All Microsoft Office products come with a spell checker, and Excel's no exception. If I click in the cell A1, I will run the spell checker from A1, and it will check the entire worksheet. I can run the spell checker by clicking the spelling button that appears on my quick access toolbar, or as it mentions here, I could press the function key F7, which is the shortcut key to run the spell check. When I run the spelling checker, it will bring to my attention any words that are not in its dictionary. They're not necessarily wrong, they're just not in its dictionary. If I want to change this word to one of the suggestions, I can click a suggestion, such as northwards with an apostrophe, and I can change that single word, or if I know that word appears many times in this sheet, I can change all occurrences of northwards. So I'm going to hit the Change All button. The next word it brings to my attention is shown here. I can ignore that one word, or I can ignore all occurrences of that word. So I'll ignore all. If a word appears that is not in its dictionary and I know it's correct, I may wish to add it to the dictionary, and that way it'll never ask me again. In fact, the dictionary is a shared application, so if you add a word to the dictionary such as Rotorua, Tauranga, Taupo, all applications will know about that word. That includes Outlook, Word, Excel. So I might add this to my dictionary. If I made a mistake, I have the option to undo the last change I made using this button here. And if I wish to change my dictionary, I can change it from English New Zealand to perhaps another language such as English US. Ultimately, when I'm finished, I'll click Close and OK.